Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on TRB. Wanted to do a full update on that. I think for obvious reasons. Last night it actually rallied a lot. We're on the 4-hour time frame right now. We will get into the 1-hour time frame in a moment. Hit this significant level around $29. It hasn't hit $30, which really is the strongest level. Like $30, $31 is very, very strong. If you zoom out, there's a lot of fib extension levels there, and historically, as you can see, it's a strong level. So it hasn't hit that level, but altogether still very, very bullish right now. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on, first of all, what's going on, and second of all, what can you expect right now. Right, so that's what we'll do. Before we do that, though, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades, and I'm a profitable trader so far. And but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very, very active and very valuable, and my trading guides for if you actually would like to analyze and trade like me. But for now, let's actually get into TRB. So right now, TRB or Tellor is 100% manipulated. All right. So if you take a look at it, if you take a look at the volume is huge. And then also, if you take a look at where that volume is coming from, there's a lot from BK. There's quite some from SuperX, quite some from BitGet, quite some from Bitfavo. Usually, if you see a lot of volume coming from those exchanges, it's manipulated. And there's also no reason for why Tellor would be this bullish right now. So we know that. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be bullish or bearish, all right? It just means that it's unpredictable and volatile. So right now, the big question I would say is, first of all, I do think Tellor can actually spike up to $30 and $31. I mean, it already got to 29. That's a very small thing. The big question, like, personally, I don't see it breaking above this. Like, it can spike up there, but breaking above that would be so tough with the amount of resistance that's there. Now, obviously, like I said, it's manipulated. So a lot of things can happen. It would really blow my mind, all right? Because then we're talking about levels like $40 where we would go up to. Like on the daily time frame, you can see the next level really is around, well, 34, 35. But then the biggest level is around $40, which is, a huge increase. That's a times 4. So that would be pretty crazy. It's possible, but for now, like I said, I don't see it breaking above $31 and $30. The big question, though, probably is going to be whether it's going to be able to hold this support level right here around $25. That's our main support right now. Technically, it's 25.5 and 24.5, so the little area around it. And it's going to, it has already, but it will test that level a little bit more in the coming hours. And the big question is will that hold or not? If it won't, if TRB breaks below 24.5, then we'll see it drop down to this level right here at $22, which is still a very strong support level. Like there's the 382 fib, and it will find support from there. But if that support from there does not let TRB break above $25, then it's over, and then it will slowly drop down all the way to $17. So it's difficult, first of all, to predict TRB right now. I would say the only way in which TRB could break above $31 and $30 right now is if it's able to hold this level around $25 for the next 2 days, and while spiking towards $31 and $30. Like, for example, that it spikes up towards that level right now, and that it drops down to 25 then, and if it can hold that level then, all right, then we might have to assume that it will go higher towards 34 and 35. But unless that happens, I think it's more likely that at some point of time 24.5 is going to give up, and that we'll see more bearish momentum. But in the end, we'll see. Like I said, it's manipulated. It's difficult to analyze right now. I'll keep you updated on that if you're interested in that. But for now, it's my take on TRB. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.